This is my glam room. I have a dedicated room in my home for getting ready. I chose this room because it has really good natural light during the day and at night as well. And so over here we have my chair. This is actually a gamer's chair from the brand Razer. It's really comfortable, has great lumbar support. It's really great. And then we have my vanity desk. Most of my products are from Amazon. And so we have my makeup collection right here. One zoom in for you. And then I have this lipstick organizer. This is the main mirror that I use, also from Amazon. And also we have my Sonos speaker. It's great for listening to music on the go, very portable. Also, my vanity mirror has different settings, so it goes for different tones. It's a great find from Amazon. I'll link it in the bio. And then I have more brush organizer holder here. I always keep water and Q-tips at my station because it's a must. So in my drawer here is where I keep most of my palettes, my larger palettes. So these are my favorite ones from ColourPop, Juvia's Place, more ColourPop. I have my lashes. These are Demi Wispies. This is Lancome eye remover, and then some backstock in this drawer. And in this makeup drawer, I have more stuff. So I have makeup remover, alcohol pads, wax strips, my jewelry box, my wedding ring. This is a little crown for my husband. And then I have disposable brush spoolies, Q-tips, more Q-tips, and then a stone roller. So that's that. So here's a close-up shot of my lipstick organizer. It keeps quite a bit. I love this thing. It came together as a set, actually. So these are my favorite lipsticks, lip glosses, lip oils. We have Beauty Bakery, Chanel, Jaclyn Cosmetics, Ulta Beauty, Beauty Counter, Makeup by Mario. But yeah, just a little close-up. And most of my brushes are from Morphe or from It Cosmetics. So I'm going to post another in-depth video here of my makeup collection, going through each drawer and showing each product. So that, stay tuned for that. But this is my eyeshadow palette drawer. And then we have all things complexion in this drawer. This is my powder, blush, bronzer drawer. And then we have mascaras, eyelash curler, brows. It's all things. And then this is all things lip. And also a couple perfume samples. So there's that. And then we have all things eyeshadow pigments. Or my favorite thing is super soft shadows. So